guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. Today I want to show you how I make my fresh fish stew. So I got my beef, and this is my fish. Fresh fish is washed and clean. I got my knorr cube here, that's Maggi. I have my curry powder, I have my onion, I have my red chili. This is blended and already, and I have my thyme, and I have my salt here. So this is my tomato. So this is fresh tomato, but I decided to, you can use the fresh one and blend it, but I decided to buy this one. It's quicker for me. So I have my coconut oil here, so I'm going to use my virgin coconut oil. So I have my ginger paste. So this is all I'm going to be using. Stay tuned. If you know you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, share this video, share it to your family, to your friend. So let's get into it. So I put my meat in my pot, so I'm going to transfer the fish also to my pot. So I will add some of my onion to it. This is my seasoning. So I'm gonna add my pepper. Just add a little bit to it. So I will add my ginger paste. I will add my salt. So I will add water to make it. So cover it. We'll come back in the next 10 minutes. So now I'm going to fry my fish. So I just make the oil to be hot. So I will just fry my fish. So now I finished frying my fish and meat. So now I'm going to use my coconut oil. So I just put a coconut oil into the pot. I'll add my onion. I'll add my garlic paste. This amount, okay? Then I'll stir it. I'll add my spicy, this amount. I'll transfer my tomato into it. I'll cover it for 5 minutes, then we'll come back to it. So I'll add my seasoning. I'll add my thyme. I'll add my curry powder. So this is my fish and my meat, so I just put them. The reason why I fried the fish, I don't want it to break. So you just be careful because it will splash, okay? So I just put a little stock from the meat. To loosen the tomato, okay? So I will cover it to cook until it is ready. So guys, my food is ready. As you can see, my tomato sauce stew is ready. This is fish stew. So this is very perfect. When you try it this way, it's very, very delicious. And you can use this with steamed rice. So this is very simple and easy to make. Within 30 minutes, your food is ready. So thank you so much for taking your time to watch. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy this video, please show me some love by subscribing to my channel. Share this video with friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Peace. Bye.